I made this cheesy focaccia. It has cheese in the middle too, mozzarella on top, butter, Italian seasoning, garlic, and a little bit of onion powder on top. Oh my god. It actually looks like a pizza, honestly, or like cheesy bread. Let's try it. Let's see if I could just cut it like this really quick, even though this is not smart because I don't want to damage my thing. You hear that crunch? That crunch is good. Okay. Oh, this was not smart to cut it here. Don't do this. It just came out too, so now let's see. Ooh, wow. That looks good. It's hot as hell. Look at the cheese in the middle. You see that, right? Look. Wow, let's try it. Mmm. I'm gonna show you, like, wow. I need to have a fan in my face. This is so hot. This is so good. It tastes like a pizza. Oh my god. Look at the bottom. Wow. Mmm. Mmm. Wow. It did taste like a pizza. What about the marinara? Wow. Mm-mm.